If you love animals, you have to see these 5 awesome pet birds. They're cute, they're fun, and they might just be your new best buddy. First, meet the budgie, tiny, chatty, and full of color. Next, the cockatiel, so sweet, loves head scratches and whistles awesome tunes. How about a lovebird? They love cuddles. Parrotlets are small but super silly. And don't forget the canary singing all day long. My pick? I'd love a cockatiel as my feathery pal. Which one would you choose? Tell me in the comments.